I got to 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. We're celebrating. You have confetti. You're eating the confetti. Don't eat it. I am so excited, and I know that seems like a really small little number, but to me it's huge. I am so appreciative of everybody that's subscribed to my channel, and my kids were so excited, and I just had to make a quick little video, and I wanted to do something in honor of everyone that has subscribed. So I live in this town called Ladera Ranch. It's in Orange County, Southern California, and there's this movement that, it's actually a nationwide movement apparently. I don't know who started it originally, but a woman here in Ladera Ranch started it here several years ago, and it's called Ladera Ranch Rocks. And what it is, it's just, you hand paint rocks. They can be as elaborate or as simple as you want, and people just hide them throughout the community. So you're going on a walk, you're walking along, and you just see this pretty little rock, and it just brings a smile to your face, just makes you happy. And it's just a way to kind of spread some love and joy throughout the town. And what's really fun, I love doing this, you hide them in like a park setting where there's a playground, and then sit back and watch little kids find them, and they get so excited. It's so fun to make somebody happy. And we have a Facebook page here where people can go online and post their, no poet, get off my coffee. That's mine. I know you want it. You can't have it. Stay away. No. So they go online and they post pictures of rocks that they've found, or post pictures of rocks that they're about to hide, and they kind of let people know the general area. So it's just a really special thing that they do around here. And so when people find a rock, they can either keep it for themselves, or they can go hide it in another spot for somebody else to find, or they can paint their own and exchange it, keep one, paint one. There's no rules, it's whatever it is. So as a way to thank you for the joy I got from receiving those 100 subscribers, I want to give it back. So my kids and I have decided we're going to paint 100 rocks, and we're going to spread them throughout the community. Unfortunately, my kids are at their dad's this weekend, so we're going to have to wait a couple days and get that done. But it's going to take a while to hide 100 rocks because we don't want to put them all in the same place. So we might be doing this over a few days. But follow along with us and help us spread a little love. Thank you again so much. Thank you. Mwah.
Give your mom. Give your mom a hug.